Click on the link below to get price. The Caroma Peak electric scooter is a remarkable blend of power, comfort, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for both leisurely rides and daily commutes. With its robust 1200W motor, it delivers impressive acceleration, allowing riders to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. The option to choose between 1200W, 800W, or 500W power settings caters to different riding preferences, whether you're tackling steep hills or cruising on flat terrain. One of the standout features is the large 20-inch off-road tires. These tires provide exceptional traction and stability on various surfaces, from rugged trails to city streets. The ability to navigate bumps and uneven ground without sacrificing comfort is a significant advantage, making it ideal for adventurous riders or those who need a reliable scooter for commuting. The scooter's range is another highlight, offering 3 different options of 15, 25, or 30 miles. This flexibility allows you to select the range that suits your needs, whether you're running errands or embarking on longer rides. The battery charges relatively quickly, allowing you to get back on the road with minimal downtime. The inclusion of a comfortable seat is a game changer, especially for longer journeys. This feature enhances the overall riding experience, reducing fatigue and making it accessible for riders of all ages. Additionally, the ergonomic design ensures that the seat is supportive without compromising mobility. Built with durability in mind, the Caroma Peak is constructed from high-quality materials, ensuring it can withstand everyday wear and tear. The scooter is also equipped with excellent safety features, including bright LED lights and a reliable braking system, providing peace of mind during rides. In summary, the Caroma Peak electric scooter combines power, comfort, and durability in an impressive package. Whether for commuting or off-road adventures, it proves to be a versatile and reliable choice for anyone looking to enhance their riding experience.